Welcome guys to my YouTube channel. Today is another beautiful day to trade. So as you know guys, I always trade Euro USD and GBP USD, and this candle is about to close, so I'm waiting like for the perfect moment to enter maybe a sell position or a buy position, but most definitely I'm seeing a sell, you know, position forming. So it's like a bullish, no, like bearish, yeah. So like some bearish formation there. So yep, so when it's gonna be a perfect entry, we're gonna trade. So stay tuned. I'm going to show you how I enter my trades, like take you throughout the journey. And you see how, as you can see right now, there is no any trade ongoing, and my balance is like 1385 dollars. So yeah, uh, my previous trades, this account, let me say, since last week, as you can see, there is no any loss. Yeah, just pure profits. Blue gang, pure profit. I always trade GBP USD and Euro USD because those are the best pairs to trade, and I understand them better. And so using my strategy and my analysis, I find it easier and better to trade them. So yeah guys, as you can see, I want to enter into a sell position. Let me enter into sell position, some sell positions, yeah, sell positions. Yeah. Some sell position. I don't know, today let me do, I think, like 20 sales positions, or I don't know, maybe 15 or 10. Yeah, we'll see about that. Let me sell. You know, yeah. Let me check the let me sell. As you can see, it's profit. We are in some profits. Some profits. Yes. Profits, guys. Profits, guys. So we'll see how the trade goes. Maybe I'll go for also GBP USD, or I stick to Euro USD. So yeah, stay tuned, guys. Mhm. Yes. Let me open the GBP USD. Also see some nice formation forming up here. You know. Mhm. Let me enter one sell position. I'm waiting like for the perfect moment. I enter one sell position with a slightly bigger lot size, and yeah, we will see how it goes. So guys, as you can see, I entered some two sell positions with a high lot size, and I'm in some like losses, but some like profit. As you can see, it's going to lose profit, but hopefully, as you can see, the market is starting to go bearish, of which let me it's going to be my I'm expecting the market to reach 1.0384, because the general movement of the market is bearish. So yeah, let's wait and see. My target is $100. For those living in Kenya, there's over 10,000. I don't know how the dollar is, but it's like roughly 10,000. Yeah, so that's my daily target, because also I don't want to be greedy because having some target is good. Yeah, so with best risk management and having my own targets, you can achieve what you want. But let's see, maybe today we go for 150 or $200. We'll see how the market goes. Yeah. So yeah, as you can see, I'm in profits, guys. $57 profit. That's good money. That's good. Yeah, the market is going as I stipulated. So guys, if you want to learn how to trade forex, maybe you're in any country. Like for me, I'm in Kenya, and right now, there's a lot of challenges. Maybe you want to learn forex, because this is something that you can do from the comfort of your house, with your phone. Like for me, I'm using only my smartphone. I don't need big screens, big you know computers or laptops for analyzing. And as you can see, my chart is very simple. There is no any crazy indicators, a lot of stuff in my chart. You see, it's just a simple, only trend line and some few strategies that you know goes with experience also, because someone like me, I've traded forex for like a year, profitable for like a year. But I started learning forex way back when I was I think still in high school. So it just builds with also experience as you go. So I don't need crazy charts, I don't need a lot of indicators, just naked trading and some few you know tips. So as you can see, guys, we are in pure profits, $200. Yeah, so I mean, I feel like ending the video because I've already hit my target. Maybe it can go up to $1,000, but yeah, I'm contented with my profits. So this is the most easier way to make money, if you understand, if you have the right knowledge. I mean, a lot of people just dive into forex expecting to be millionaires, expecting to like it's a smooth game, but no, it has a lot of ups and downs, and you have to have the right knowledge. So having the right knowledge helps you in your trading. you know so if you want to learn my strategy, if you want to know how I trade forex, I have a course. uh, Also, you can feel free to, like, there's a Telegram group link in the description below. You can inbox me. We can I can teach you my strategy. So let me close the trades together. So I'm waiting is to stabilize, maybe at around 240 to 50. Then yeah, we can close the orders. Close. Yeah, close. Let's close. Yeah, close. Close. Yeah. Close some profits, guys. We're taking profits. So yeah, because I don't want to be greedy. Yeah. So this is something you can do a few minutes. Like for me, it's not even 15 minutes. I started trading like 15 minutes ago, and I've already hit my targets. And yes, I'm done with the day. So let's go. As you can see, profits. Today, let's see. Today we've made $261. It's like roughly 26 over 26,000 if you're in Kenya. That's 26,000 in a few minutes. So guys, if you want to learn more about Forex, I teach Forex. Yeah, feel free to inbox in the Telegram group. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe if this is the content you want to see. Yeah, feel free to subscribe, and also I will be posting more and more, and also teaching you guys how I trade, and also you can trade with me. So yeah, thank you guys, and yeah, I'm done for today. See you in the next video.